My name is Matthew Ngwai. I'm the co-founder of Kilimo Maendeleo. Kilimo Maendeleo is a digital platform. In fact, it's an ecosystem which provides an end-to-end solution in the agriculture sector. Right now, we are operational in Tanzania and in Uganda, and we are servicing almost 100,000 farmers across these two countries. Today, we are going to talk about our solution, which is Jembe Pesa. Jembe Pesa is a platform that actually connects farmers with financial institutions to be able to access financial and insurance services, but also forward and backward market linkages, advisory services on financial payments like bank to mobile wallet and mobile wallet to the bank, but also it offers a number of options in terms of accessing capital for their farming activities, such as loans. Actually, we call them Jembe loans, e-wallets, and they can keep their records, transaction records. But it also offers payment to different actors to be able to pay farmers and receive payment from farmers. But also, particularly for buyers, it provides a back payment option whereby instead of processing payment for individual farmers, they can process bulk payment for more farmers that are formed into different groups. For other actors in the value chain, Jembe Pesa actually offers integration with financial institutions such as banks in order to be able to process payments to farmers' wallets, but also MNOs and other service providers who are actually interested into transacting within the rural space. So far, our platform actually is servicing almost 100,000 farmers across Tanzania and Uganda, and in doing so, actually we are able to provide actually seamless connectivity between farmers and financial services by offering basically Jembe cards, which is a Visa and a Umoja network accepted card, which is used within our platform as part of end-to-end solution for their payment needs. But also, as a platform, is eyeing to actually impact the rural space, particularly agriculture sector, because it's the biggest sector actually in Tanzania and even in Uganda, because we see almost 70% of our people are in that sector. And because of that, it becomes very crucial to be able to provide solution that is tailor-made for the people of the rural space to be able to interact and access finances and manage their data, their transaction data, so that we can be able to uplift them from the level they are up to the much more higher level in terms of productivity and access to inputs and finance. The market size of this sector in Tanzania is almost 12.7 billion, which about 28.2% of the GDP. And our target is actually 2.2 million farmers out of 9.3 active farmers in Tanzania. Why us? Our platform is farmer driven and therefore client acquisition, but also it addresses the digital integration requirement for the sector data driven performance. Jembe Pesa offers solution for growers, for suppliers, for buyers, for service providers, as well as for farmers. So everyone is integrated, and therefore we are able to harvest huge number of data that can help us actually to achieve financial inclusion and provide last mile connectivity between these different actors in the agriculture sector. Our business is critical. Why? Because it serves the majority and the most underserved population with high growth potential in Africa continent. If we look at a business model, basically we are focusing on is B2B, business to business, and the business to customer. So there are instances whereby we work with other partners like financial institutions, that's B2B, but also we provide services directly to the last consumers as farmers, that is business to customer. Our revenue model consists of a number. One, we accept commission of 1.3 on sale value for those who are actually selling such as inputs. We do client acquisition. There are instances whereby you find banks and other partners actually required to acquire these farmers that we have profiled, and we charge that. But also we have client retainers, we have Visa quarterly fees, We have bill and loan processing repayments. We have transaction fees, and we have also subscription, but also we get certain percentage for deposit and the credit commission that comes with our solution. Our revenue, actually we just hit 75k for the past year, and we are only 2 years in the market, and we hope actually to double that as we increase vertically our services for the number of customers that we have. We have a founding team of 4, including myself, Matthew Ngwai, and I have 15 years experience in corporate strategy, agribusiness and rural development projects implementation. Hussein Haule, who is our director of technical, he has 13 years experience in programming, so in the software development, and he's leading our technical team actually to be able to deliver this particular product and the services. We have Gerard Msema, who has 10-year experience in rural-based business development and sales, and he's a certified accountant. And we have Maria Ngwai, who has an experience into rural development of about 7 years. And basically, her main focus is on gender issues in value chains and the gender issues for financial inclusion. The demand for our solution, services and the products is growing, and we have just expanded to Uganda, and for that purpose we are raising $850,000 in order to buy more technology, licenses, and streamlining processes, including marketing and the product development, so that we can be able to service our customer better and also expand our customer base. But also we are very much open into discussing different mechanisms for funding. We accept convertible notes, we also accept debt and equity. So we are open for that discussion.